Afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. How are you all?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, had your lunch?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And children, so we will start with the word problems. Okay, generally, so have.
Ma'am.
Okay,
Uh,
ma'am.
Speak
Am I finish the first word for problem?
okay. Those who are finished, please wait. Okay. So, children, from our smaller classes, we are using these multiplication word problems. Yes, like the same here. Like if you say, if I know the price of 1 pen, okay, 5 rupees for 1 pen. So, how much for 5 pen? Angelina, yes. Unmute and speak. 1 rupee, no, 1 pen cost 5 rupees. So what about 5 pence?
50 rupees.
How you got?
Ma'am, can you tell the question once more?
1 pen cost
Okay, ma'am.
5 rupees. And I want to buy 5 like that pens. Okay.
25.
25. How you got 5 into 5?
5.
Children, so we know already like this word problems we have learned. Okay, in one row, 8 children are sitting and like that 5 rows are there. How to find the total number of students? What we will do? 8 into 5. Understood? Children, this like this word problems we are learning from our smaller classes. So, how to understand the multiplication problems? Like our subtraction problem, you know how many left, how many total, how many in all, 4 and all for addition problem. But here, now if we know the value of 1 or if you know the price of 1 kilogram, how to find out the price of 5 kilogram, you can just multiply. Okay, children? Like this only we will use multiplication problems. Okay. So, Agne, can you read question number 17?
There are 5,606 bags of rice in a storehouse.
Okay.
If each bag weighs 62 kg, what is the total weight of the bags?
Bag. Okay. So, they have given you weight of one bag. That is, weight of each bag is given and the number of bags also given. How to find the total? What you will do, Agne? Multiply. So, looking at the question, can you tell me which will be the Devak? Looking at the first sentence, can you tell me the first step of the word problem?
Number of bags of
Number of
rice.
bags. There, it is given there are 5,606 bags. So we can write the first sentence as number of bags. Okay, number of bags. Okay, Anandesh, can you please tell me which will be the second step? What is given in the second sentence?
Weight of each bag.
Very good. Weight of each bag is given in the second sentence of the question. So we can write that as a second step. So weight of each bag. Okay. Now, last step. Adil. Next word we can write. First, Adil. Yes, Adil. What we have to find out? Look at the last sentence. What is the? What is the?
What is the total weight of the bag?
What is the total weight of the bag? So what we can write the last step? Total? Total weight. Okay. Total weight. We can find out total weight. Okay. So shall we start? Children, first what you will write? Number of bags. Second step you will write weight of each bag. And the third step you will write total weight of the bag. Okay, children, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to write question number 17. Question number 17. So first step, number of rice bags. All the children, we can do together. Number of rice bags, number of rice bags, number of rice bags. You can write like that. Or we can, if you want to write number of rice bags in a storehouse, that also correct. We can make it short. Number of rice bags is equal to 5,606. 5,606. So next step, what you told? Weight of each bag. Weight of each bag. Weight of each bag is given 62 kg, 62 kilogram. Now next step, you have to write total weight of the bags. Total weight of the bags. Total weight of the bags. How we can write? We can multiply 5,606 into 62. 5,606 into 62. Can you do the calculations alone, children? In last period we have,
Yes, ma'am.
the last period we have discussed all this. How to, yes, all the children please do alone. I will ask one by one.
Ma'am,
Yes?
we can do this. Ma'am, ma'am, can we write this problem in the side of our book?
Yes, yes. On you.
It's given.
Okay, those children who have finished, please wait. Let them complete. Five six zero six in multiplied by 62. So total weight of the bags equal to, we can multiply number of bags into weight of each bag. So number of bags is given as 5,606 and weight of each bag is 62. Multiply these two. Children, you can guess there are 4 plus 2, maximum 6 digits can be in the answer. How many got the answers? Can you raise your hand? How many children have finished? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 6 children finished. Yes, Chinmay, can you please tell me the answer? Chinmay, please unmute and speak.
347572.
347572. Very good. Can you read this number? 3 lakh
3,47,572.
572. All of you got the same answer? Yes? So we can check whether this answer is correct or wrong. 5,606 multiplied by 62, that is 62 kilogram. That is, children, those children who have completed, you can please check whether you 6 2s are 12. 1 carryover, 1 0 plus 1 1. 6 2s are 12, carry over 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. And we'll start with 0, 6 6, 36. 6 into 0, 0 plus 3, 3. 6 6 are 36, carry over 3. 33. So the answer will be here 2. So 3,47,572. 3,347,572. Very good. So the answer is correct. So we can write in our so we got 347,572. Can you tell me the unit? Total weight. So you have to write that unit as kilogram. So the answer is 3,47,572 kilogram is the answer. So the total weight of the bag is, we can write like that. Total weight of the bag is equal to 3,47,572. Okay, children. Okay, Gautam, please read next question. Question number 18. Hmm.
2,500 tanks,
Yes.
each of 35 liters capacity.
Okay.
Find the total capacity of all the tanks.
Yes. Okay, can you tell me what you will write the first sentence? There are 2,500 tanks. So what you can write as first step? Number of tanks is given. Okay, all the children you can write number of tanks equal to. Okay, second, each of 35 liters capacity. So capacity of each tank. Okay. The next step, what you'll write? Find the total capacity. So what you can write the step? Total capacity of all the tanks. Okay, children. Start.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you start again. Write the steps. So question number 18. Question number 18. Number of tanks. We can write number of tanks. We have 2,500. Then next step, capacity of each tank. Capacity of each tank. How many liters? 35 liter. Children, you have to see the units. In the last step, if it is liter, you have to write liter. If it is kilogram, you have to write kilogram. So capacity of each tank is given 35 liter. So what's the next step? Total
number of capacity.
Total number of capacity.
No, weight of
Total capacity. Okay, we can write total capacity. We know the number of tank is given and capacity of each tank is also given. So total capacity, how to find out? We can multiply. Yes, total capacity of all the tanks. Children, multiply and find out the answer. Total capacity of all the tanks. We have to multiply 2500 into 35. Find out the answer. Are you doing alone? All of you children? Completed? How many completed? Okay, do. So we can multiply 2500 multiplied by 35. We have 2,500 tanks and each tank have the capacity 35.
85 liter.
35 liter. Okay, Devak. Please
Yes,
unmute
ma'am.
and tell me the answer. 5 5 into 0
5 into 0, 0.
0. Okay. Yes. Then
One
again
more
5 into 0
0.
0. 5 5s are
25.
25. 5 here. Carry over 2. Okay. 5 2s are
5 2s are 10.
10 plus 2
12.
12. Okay. Very good. Now to start the second row, what do you have to do? Start with
0. Put
Start with 1
zero.
0 we will do. Then we will again multiply with the tens place. Okay. Tens place. 3 into 0,
3 into 0.
0. Again 3
Zero.
into 0, 0.
0.
5 3s are
5 3s are 15.
15. Carry over 1. Okay. Again 3 2s are
3 2s are 6.
6 plus 1,
7.
7.
7. Okay. Add and tell me the answer. 0 plus 0,
0.
0,
0.
0,
5.
5,
5. 7.
7.
7,
8.
8. So how you can read this number?
87,500.
87,500. Okay. So the total capacity is given as 87,500.
87,700
87500. So how you write the, what's that unit?
That is
Liter.
Liter.
Okay, very good. So we can write total capacity of all the tanks. We can write
87.
87500. What's the unit?
Liter.
Liter. Okay, because that capacity is given in liter. So we can, number of tanks, you have to write the first step, second step, capacity of each tank, and total capacity, you have to find out the, you have to multiply and find out the answer. And the unit is liter. Don't forget to write the liter. Okay, 87500 liter. Okay. Over, children, please.
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Now, who is going to read question number 19? Who can read question number 19? Yes, Ayman. And, yes.
Anand bought
Anand bought
536 electric ovens at rupees 3,920,
Okay.
each for a shop. How much money did he spend in all?
Okay. So he bought how many ovens? Anand bought how many ovens?
536.
536. So what you will write the first step? Number of
Number of electric ovens.
ovens. So number of ovens is given 536. Okay. What about second? And each oven cost how many rupees?
Ma'am, 3,900.
3,920. So you can write cost of, it is given, that is rupees.
And
You
cost
can write
of each
cost
oven.
of one electric oven. Okay. So that is given as 3,920. So what will write the third step?
And
Cost
money
of-
spent for all.
Total spent for
Total
money.
cost we can write, or you can say
Money
cost
spent.
of 536 ovens. So we can write that together. Okay, children. Question number 19. Question number 19. Question number 19. So first we can write number of ovens. We can write electric ovens, or we can write just ovens. Number of ovens. 536. Next step, cost of one, or we can write cost of each, and all, anything we can write. Cost of one electric oven. Cost of one electric oven. Cost of one electric oven. What's how many rupees?
3,920.
3,920.
3920 rupees for one electric oven. So what will write the next one? We can write cost of, or how much money did he spend in all? Total money spent you can write, or you can write cost of 536 ovens.
Ma'am, we can write total money.
We can write total money spent. That's also correct. Cost of 536 ovens. That's also correct. So what you have to do? You have to multiply 536 times 3920. Children, the big number you have to write on the top when you do multiplication. Okay. Can you do alone the calculation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do alone. How you will do? 3920 multiplied by 536. You have to write the big number on the top. So we have to do 3920. Children, we are writing the big number on the top multiplied by 536. Do alone, all of you do alone. Finally, you can check your answer whether it is correct or wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
How many completed? Yes, children. Okay, Devak, tell me the answer. Devak.
21 lakh. 21 lakh.
21 lakh.
1,120.
1,120. How many got correct answer? Okay, we'll do that one.
Okay, ma'am.
So here we had to 536 multiplied by 3920. You have to write that is rupees and 2101 120. So how to read this number? 21 lakh
21 lakh.
21 lakh 1,120. Do you have doubt for this answer?
No.
We have 2101,120. How to read this number? 21 lakh 1120.
20.
So this is we are finding cost of 536 ovens. So the cost means that is given in rupees. So we have to write the symbol here, rupees. And if it is kg, you have to write the unit as kilogram and liter. Here what is given? That is cost of 536 ovens. So you have to find it that rupees 21 lakh 1120. Completed, children? Yes? How many children don't get the answer? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Ah,
I got the answer, but I need to look it's correct or not. Ma'am, can you
yes.
show
Look
the
at that.
screen? Can you show the screen?
Yes, yes. Look at the board.
Mom, I finished writing.
21 lakh 1120. Twenty-one lakh 1120. Finished? Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I'm seeing.
But Angelina, not able to hear. Can you be louder?
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, in the answer you wrote 21. It's 20, right?
21.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I got 20.
I'm Sia.
Okay, we'll
Ma'am,
check
I
the
got
answer.
20.
Ah, you
Ma'am,
have to
I'm
check
Sia.
again. Check again. Check again. Children, please. Okay, here we had to do 3920 multiplied by 536. Two, 3, 5, 2, 0. Check your first row. We have 2, 3, 5, 2, 0. Start with 0 in the second. Then we have to multiply with 3, tens place. So in second row, we have 117600. Okay, check where you got that. Second row is correct. 117600. Okay, to start with 5, you have to place 2 zeros here. Then 5 into 0, we have 5 into 0, 0. Again, 5 twos are 10. So the last line you will get 196. Then we have 4 zeros. Okay, 4 zeros. Now what we have to do? You have to add. We have to add. Add fast and tell me 0 here. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 6, 11, 1. Then 1 carry over. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 7, 11. Then 1 carry over. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 6, 10. Carry over here 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. Here 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. So we have 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0. All of you please check here now. Here we have 21 lakh 1120. So what the answer that Devak told, that answer is correct. All of you please, did you check your mistake? Yes, Angelina. Did you understand your mistakes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
When I add, I did not look.
Okay, okay. So you did, maybe you didn't add the carryover. Okay, children.
Ma'am.
So we will
Excuse
wind
me,
up the
ma'am.
session. We have 3 more
Excuse me,
questions.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, the last line, total money he spent in all also it's correct.
That also
line.
correct. Okay, that also correct. Okay. So children, I thought we will finish this, but we have only 3 more questions so that we can do after the vacation. Okay, children. Bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.